Presented by the Mark Twain Library. Today we will be showing a quick tutorial of how to access downloadable content from Hoopla through our library webpage. First, go to marktwainlibrary.org, and from here go to our navigation bar under How Do I. Select Download eBooks and Audiobooks. This will bring you to our downloadable section, and from here you can click Hoopla. Now you will be at the Hoopla landing page. Here you can make your own account, so click Get Started Today. You will enter your email and password. For the purpose of this video, we will be entering a fictitious account. Now you will choose Mark Twain under the Library section. Reading, Connecticut. Now here you'll enter your library card number. And the PIN, which will be your password from your library website account. Once you've clicked Sign Me Up, you will be all logged into Hoopla and able to access their content. Thank you and enjoy!